Properties of water. Dear students, we know that water is essential for living organisms. Yes, we all know we need water for drinking and many other purposes. But what makes it so useful? Have you ever thought about that? So, in this video, we are going to discuss different properties of water. Physical properties of water. Water is colorless and tasteless liquid. Some of other physical properties of water are shown in following figure. Water have high specific heat, thermal conductivity, surface tension, dipole moment, and dielectric constant than most of other liquids. High heat of vaporization and heat capacity are responsible for balance of climate as well as body temperature of living organism. Water acts as good solvent for transporting ions and molecules during metabolism in living organism. Chemical properties of water. Water reacts with large number of substances. Let us learn reaction of water with various substances which shows chemical properties of water. Amphoteric nature. Water has ability to act as acid as well as base. That is, water is amphoteric in nature. When water reacts with base, it acts like acid. When water reacts with acid, it acts as a base. Following example demonstrate amphoteric nature of water. H2O plus NH3 produces OH minus plus NH4 plus. Here NH3 is base, hence water acts as an acid. H2O plus H2S produces H3O plus plus HS minus. Here H2S is acid, so water acts as base. The autoprotolysis, that is, self-ionization of water, is shown as follows. H2O plus H2O equilibriums with H3O plus plus OH minus. Autoprotolysis is a process in which proton is transferred between two identical molecules, one which acts as Bronsted acid and donates proton which is accepted by another molecule which acts as Bronsted base. Conjugate acid. It is a base in which hydrogen ion is added. Conjugate base. It is left over after the donation of proton from acid. Redox reactions involving water. Water can be easily reduced to dihydrogen by highly electropositive metals. Thus, it proves to be a great source of dihydrogen. Water is oxidized with O2 during photosynthesis. Also, it oxidizes with fluorine to form oxygen. Hydrolysis reaction. Water has ability to dissolve ionic compounds because of its high dielectric constant. Some examples of ionic as well as covalent compound is given as follows. P4O10 plus 6H2O produces 4H3PO4. SiCl4 plus twice H2O produces SiO2 plus 4HCl. N3 minus plus 3H2O produces NH3 plus 3OH minus. Hydrates formation. Aqueous solution of many salts can be crystallized as hydrated salts. That is, for forming crystal structure, water molecules are used. It is done in different type. Coordinated water. For example, CrH2O6 3 plus 3Cl-. Coordinate water have coordinate bonding. Interstitial water. For example, BaCl2.2H2O. Hydrogen bonded water. For example, CuSO4.5H2O. Here we complete this topic. In the next video, we will be learning details about structure of water.